In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite a photo on Google Photos. If you use Google Photos on a desktop or in a web browser, marking a photo as a favorite is quick and easy, and it's a helpful way to keep important pictures easy to find later. This is great for saving special memories, standout images, or any photo you want to come back to without searching through your full library. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Photos. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. After your photo library loads, browse through your images and click on the photo you want to favorite. This will open the photo in the viewer so you can see it more clearly and access the available controls. At the top of the photo viewer, look for the star icon. This is the Add to Favorites button. Click that star and the photo will immediately be marked as a favorite. That's all you need to do. Once the star is selected, Google Photos saves that image to your favorites automatically. After you favorite a photo, it gets added to the favorites album for easy access. If you want to find all of your favorited pictures later, look to the left sidebar, then go to Library and open Favorites. This is where Google Photos collects all the photos you've marked, so you can quickly revisit the images that matter most to you. There's also a faster option if you're using a desktop keyboard. While you're viewing a photo, you can simply press the F key to add it to favorites instantly. If the photo is already favorited, pressing F again will remove it from favorites. This shortcut can save time, especially if you're organizing a lot of photos at once. One important thing to know is that favorites can sync across your devices, including your phone and the web version, as long as backup is enabled. That means if you favorite a photo on one device, you may also see it appear in your favorites album on another. Also, if you remove the star from a photo later, it will be taken out of the favorites album, but the photo itself will not be deleted from your library. And that's how to favorite a photo on Google Photos. Once you start using favorites, it becomes much easier to keep your best and most meaningful pictures close at hand.